Hi journey people, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and be blessed. Today I am here with you another day in the kitchen. Yeah man. And what I'm about to do today, I am making some brown stew chicken gizzard. So I'm going to take you to the process of doing that right now. And this is it over here, well washed, prepare, ready to season up. So I'm going to put some powdery season on it and take you through it, right? Yes man, chicken gizzard today, brown stew. Yes, this is my all-purpose seeds that I put on it here. And this is a pinch of that's my all-purpose over there, and that's my Maggi. And this is a pinch of season to the bone chicken season here. Yes ma'am. Yes, and this is a pinch of chicken spice that I'm putting on it here, over here. Yes, a pinch of little salt because some of these seasons have salt in it, so you know it goes already, right? So what I'm going to do, I just get my hands are clean hands. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to brown stew gizzard, chicken gizzard, right? And this is it. This is it. So I'm gonna put it to soak for approximately about 20 minutes. And I will come straight back to you. This is some pimento seed. Yes, I'm putting on it. It's a pimento seed, right? Right, and this is the oil pot hot over here. Right, so I'm gonna take you straight there. This is it. Okay. Yes, this is it now. This is it. Okay. Brown stew. Chicken gizzard. So what I'm going to do now here, I'm just going to put the few pegs of garlic and let it just simmer down there with the garlic for a while. Yes, so what I'm going to do now, just go put a pinch of ginger in it, right? So the ginger and the garlic going to cook it down for a while. Then I'm going to come right back to you with the brown seasoning. Over here, I'm cooking dumpling, yam, banana, and plantain. Right over there, so see there? Yeah, man. Go straight along with it. Yes, my people, this is the finishing part of my kidney here. Dumpling, banana, and a slice of yam. Right, that's right there. Yes, journey people, big up yourself. Have a blessed day. Bye. I'm out of here.